Greetings and love, guys. Look what we got here. Look what we've got. Huh? Today being February 15th, 2024, and snow finally graced us. Look here, guys. Look at all the snow we got here. Some might say it's beautiful and some might say it's not beautiful. But look at this. Look at this, guys. Snow up on ground. Not a whole heap, you know. The weather said them a call for 15 centimeters. You know. But just so the neighborhood look on the tree them, guys. Snow there in the tree them too, you know. Look there, guys. And it a fall as me a talk to, you know. Yeah, man, look on the neighborhood. Neighborhood is all white. Snow a fall. Yeah, man. Greetings and love, prince and princesses. How y'all doing? Round the corner, round the bend. You know, so this a snow ends again, man. Look on this winter. Yeah, man. Winter with the pan. You sort out some things to say when I go cook for the winter. Winter day, yeah. You know. Super go do the thing. Yeah. Yeah, man. This is the other end of my backyard, you know, from one end to the other, you see me? Straight down there, so. Look at all the snow on the ground, guys. Huh? Look at the snow on the tree. Look how beautiful it is. How beautiful it is, guys. Huh? For those who love snow. Look at this. Jamaica, wagwan. So we're there in the foreign country, I get the whiteness up here. Wagwan, Jamrock. I'm missing you right about now. I am missing you right about now. Got the tree, guys. Find snow on that tree. Yeah? Rastafari. See there, guys? So white down there. Pure snow, you can't see ground. Can't see grass. Can't see nothing. Look at this. How beautiful the tree is, guys. And the snow fall down on it until it bend. It bend. See it there, guys? Here in the winter time we don't have leaf on our tree. Let me show you all of the snow now, you know why. We don't have leaf on tree, but watch out now. Around March 21st, March 22nd, supposed to see the spring side of Canada, you know. Things start blooming and thing. Yeah, man, it a go nice. Yeah, you the bird, them a tree and thing. Yeah, man, see it there? Out that door, guys. And at the backyard, this, you know. Yeah, man. Look at that. See there? Some big pine tree. Or evergreen. Guys, yeah, man. Look at all that snow on the ground. Yeah, man. So big up on yourself. All I know we are get all of the warmth right now. You know what I say? I was there over here saying the cold. And when I say cold, it's cold. You see it? And I ice that. These are the things that we have to work, you know. Get up a morning time and I gotta work. You know, see it, we go clock in somehow with 6:30, somehow with 7. You know, see it, and I work way back till 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock at night. You know, see it, and I have to push through this. We have to push through this, guys. You understand? I mean, I remind you, a winter time now, yes, but, you know, just think how hard and rough it is, man. Rough. You know what I say? So this is why, you know, I say this, you know, you see one time we foreigners send on a Jamaican something, or send anyone from abroad to abroad and go to something, be grateful because you don't understand how hard we work. How hard we have to work in this snow, you freeze off with dreadnoughts to do something for people, you know, see it. And somehow you just stay so ungrateful. Don't be ungrateful, man. Be grateful for everything because, you know, people have it hard, you know. You know, see it. So one time when I get a little something from we over here saying foreign people, watch your man. This is just a bit of it. This is nothing. You know what I mean? This is just a bit of it. This is just a little bit, but me just I tell you, day by day, you have to go out there and go work from 6 in the morning sometime to the 6 to 6 all them hours there, you know, to get a little food on the table. And we have to do it in a this kind of weather and thing like that. You know what I say? So, yo, enjoy yourself for Jamaica, enjoy the warmth, man, and know say a good thing. You understand? When we're there at the warm, because we're there in the cold, and all them things that we have to deal with, in and out, on the road. So, you know what I say? Going back and forth to work and stuff like that. So, yeah, man, today I say, each and every one be grateful. See? Rastafari, man. So, I'm going to go inside and go see if I can blend up something to cook right now. Yeah, so let me say, I'm going to catch you later on. See? Rastafari. Haile Selassie. Yes, guys, love and respect, manners and honors, you don't know. Give thanks and praise unto the Most High, you don't know. We're upon the grounds again and above the ground, so we always have to give thanks and praise to the Most High. You don't know already, right? Round the corner, round the bend, a winter time this, Lionheart Kitchen you end up again. See? Yeah, man, so you see today what we are going to do? We're going to do some curry chicken breast. See? So me have some curry chicken breast here. Rinse them off some more, wash them up with some vinegar and lime. See? Yeah, man, that me are going to do. And then we have the vegetable here, so we are going to cut up. We have the scallion, we have the pepper, we have the tomato, we have sweet pepper, onion and all of that inside of there. See? So that we are going to deal with. So just stick and stay like glue and watch where I go on when time you come through. See? Highly blessed. Soon come back. About pan the place here one more time. I'm going to wash off them chicken and then cut them up, because sometimes I notice on the video when I do them, by the pipe make a whole heap of nice, real fast. See? So yeah, wash them up. So cut them and chop them up small, guys. You know, because a curry chicken, you know, you see it, a curry chicken. And some of that fat there for it. Chicken breast, you know, soft, very easy to cook too. Easy to cook. Chop them up in pieces, as small as you want. More than this, so. Also, when I don't cook that one, yeah, that goes sweet. Our some do it. You know. Go and cut up the chicken here now. See? Nice and quiet it is until I start to see something. Pipe now make no nice. I have to try to remember that sometime to cut it off, you know, because yeah, do that sometime. Alright guys, so put some vinegar in a M6 speed, just like that. And then go get a lime. Yeah, bust up the lime one time. Go and do this. Wash them up nicely. See? Yeah. Wash off all of the corrosions off of it, bacteria and all them rare, you see me? Now I remind you again guys, each one, every man cook different style, different ways. Okay? So as long as me cook and me cook. You know the fanciness, you know. ghetto food me like to cook. You know what I say? Right now, if I could afford banana, yam and them something there, trust me. Usually that's a dumpling, you know, but watch you know. I tell you the truth, you know. So when it come to flour now, I mean love flour, you know. But so when it come to flour now, only one kind of flour man can talk to me about right now. And that's a coconut dumpling. Big up yourself, Collins, Rastafari. Trust me, man, that's one of the wickedest thing. You eat that 24/7. Trust me. 365 or 60 much a day for the year. Coconut dumpling. See? Alright guys, see it there now. Don't wash that up. See? Gonna get a little bit of just a little bit of oil in the pot. Just a bit. See? Just like that. Let that go and warm up and thing like that, and then I'm gonna come up here and we're gonna get the powder seasoning. The first powder seasoning run out of Maggi, guys. Me still not get no Maggi yet. So I'm gonna put that all this one is all seasoning powder. See? I'm gonna put some abuba. I never could pronounce that thing, guys, but it's Goya. Alright. Definitely slap your mama. You understand? Slap your mama half a day, right? Have to get that little spice there. See? That's the far, right? Now go ahead and put in some cayenne in there too, you know. Can you guys tell you? I love my spice. That's the boy, this is our weird curry chicken, this. And weird. Alright. And we have all natural. Yeah, man. All of that is said and alright, guys. See that? Now me here so Jamaica better pack curry are the best, no doubt. But me not have none. Me have Jamaica pride type. Never use. See it? Yeah, man. I see everything? Good. Alright. Put some of that on that like that. I mean, I use too much because I'm rich, you know. Yeah? I'm going to burn out some in the pot like that. Just like that. Not much either. Put that back there. Alright, guys. Yeah, man. So, that me a deal with. I'm going to stir it up right now. Stir it up right now. See? But before we do that, so I'm going to pipe around again. Alright. Yeah, man. So, I'm going to cut up the vegetable them right now. See? And put everything in that and throw them in the pot. But me not make you not see that. You have to see that one time I throw it in the pot. See? So stick and stay like glue. Fasten yourself until I come back. See? Iron man, Rastafari. Alright, so I have my vegetable them cut up here so now. And I'm going to cut them up smaller. See? This is what's going in my curry chicken breast, guys. See? Alright, put some red pepper. Alright, just like this. Cut up everything. See? Bite size. I have a pack of vegetables still. With all this here I have here. Pack. See there, guys. Bless up on yourself out there, no kings and queens, prince and princesses. See? Bless up on yourself, hope you're having yourself a great day. See? And do the things that is righteous, not true? Yeah, man, Rastafari. So I'm say. Yes, we can use the cutting board and do this, but we have to do some chop fast. You know what I say? Chop fast. Rastafari. I'm going to pack with vegetables. what I want. Sweet pepper, green pepper, red pepper, yellow pepper. Am I going that kind of sweet pepper? Orange one, yeah. That's the orange. So this one will pack up with a whole heap of vegetables, as you can see. You probably see that's already loud. Let's get this man. Just have a little piece of tomato and I put it on it, and I never see people put that thing. They don't know. Okay, guys. Just like that. Quick and fast. Quick and steady. Just like that. You see the time here now? Rinse it off again. Bossing just like that. Just like that. See? And over here, so guys, you have the rice pot. See? You have some water boiling and the rice boil. You put some rice in it, is what I should say. See? So that never deal with. See? Let's get this stir up now. Nice. Get all of this stir up inside of him. And chew down in the pot and make him go and simmer curry down. You know, see it? Yeah, man, look how pretty that is, guys. Whole heap of vegetable in it still in there. It look like I mean a whole heap in cut up, but a whole heap in there. Look how pretty that is. I think the pot I'm going to cook it in a small store, you know, but you know what? It have to go fit. Yeah. It have to go fit. Look at that. Beautiful. Alright? Yeah, man. Oh, hold on, guys. Got one important thing I want to deal with. Got the garlic. Look at that. Look how fast that shell out, guys. Oh, so. Big up yourself, colors. The colors supposed to do that the other day and say, yo, so this deal with and so forth. So, yeah. Make it a shot, guys, and I tell you. It's so easy to just pluck it off and do all of that. Look at that. We don't stand up there with the knife and try to peel this thing. Wicked. Easy. See that, guys? Just like that. Stir it and make it go on. Smell different stuff. Curry chicken breast, guys, no bones. See? We'll come over here, sir. I'll just everything in the pot. See? Everything. Yes, guys. All the chicken in the pot. You go and mix it around with all that burnt curry on the burner area. See, I'm going to turn it up. You go and deal with them things. See? Like I said, yeah, the curry we normally use look richer than this. You know what I say? Richer than this. Yes, guys, I'm gonna make that go and simmer down. See, and I'm gonna get looking after the rice now. See, so catch me when I wash up that and drop it in the pot. See, Rastafari. Alright, guys. See my daughter. She decided to come in at the kitchen, come give me a hand, so she wanna wash the rice. Okay. First thing she do, wash her hand, because she doesn't know the cleanliness. She doesn't know say godliness. See? You gotta use your two hands to wash that rice, honey. There you go. Wash it like you're scrubbing it. Yeah. See how white that water becomes? guys. Wash this and wash rice and the over here, so curry chicken are go on doing thing. Yeah, come and season nice. Beautiful. See how that look, guys? Ravishing. See? I got my water right there, so boil. I'm gonna do some. Guys, look on this drama here. Oh my goodness. Me say, the pot cover gets stuck on the stove and I couldn't pick it up. Yes, my daughter over here, so second wash. Let's go. Come on. Take your time. Strain. Don't make one rice grain slip in. That's not be your dinner. Ah, I see a couple of them went. One more time. Alright. Drain that off. Okay, take this and let me help you out. Try your hand. You come do this, you know, guys, because you waste my rice. Look how much rice in this one. Alright guys, rice nicely washed. We'll drop them in the water now just like this. See? Just like that. We're gonna give him a stir. No salt in that water because I just simply don't like to cook with salt sometimes. You understand? I feel like the curry chicken will be enough. See? And guys, I'm gonna go ahead. I have some mixed vegetables here. I'll go ahead and just drop some mixed vegetables in it. Just like that. Vegetable in there. See? I'm going to go ahead and do a different kind of seasoning. See? We're going to put some walnut shell or whatever. See? We're going to still everything we cook the curry chicken with. Everything that we cook the curry chicken with, we're going to put in the rice. See? Yeah, man. That one you go sweet! All I don't know what they will know me. And I don't know say, oh, so me do it. Rastafari. We give him a little stir. Just like that. Cover him down. You want to do anything? Yeah, man. Put turn the shades in, guys, because it's not me without it, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. Yeah, man, so I'm looking at the chicken right there, so the chicken pot. Alright. Woo! Put a little stir going. See him? See that, guys? Now at this point, I can add a little water to it. If you want to cook some more. See? That's alright. Yeah, man. Look at that. Yes, guys, that go on. See? And it looks very pretty. Mr. Me and the pipe here, me and the pipe here can't be friendly because every time I turn it on, I forgot to turn it off. And it makes so much noise, you know. But yeah, man, that go on, pan water go on in a water go along. See? With the round the corner, round the bend in a lion or live it kitchen again. See? And this one here is curry chicken. See? And some veggie steamed down rice. And that me I deal with tonight right outside in the kitchen. So it a go sweet. You don't know it already. I know, man, so me do it. So check in, stay upon that glue, stick and fast, and a forward we are come next. See? And you'll see how it a go after all of this. See? Soon come back. Check in. Alright, guys. We're dancing now because the boat almost land. See? Yeah, man, the boat almost land. So here we are. I want some curry chicken breast. Come closer, come give them a sight. Yeah?
I can't.
See there, guys? I'm not sure who's having a problem with the camera here. Might be steamy where you couldn't see a bit. Some rice over here, so go on, guys. See how it come out? How lovely that is.
Looks like mashed potatoes a little
Oh, that looks beautiful. Yeah, man, make it go on steam. You know, usually the people and put some plastic over it and make it go on, but then I go do that. I'm just going to just turn it down and make the cover do the job. See? So, stick and stay like glue. Next time you see me come through, I'll be sharing out some food and everybody will be enjoying themselves and consume. So stick and stay. Iron Man, Rastafari. Island. Guys, here we go now. Our time to share out some food. Yeah. Everybody hungry. I want it cool off a bit, but everybody hungry, so you know. I want to eat. Alright, guys, look for my rice. Rice. Give me rice and let us stir here, guys. Yeah, look at this, guys. Look how shelly this is. Beautiful.
Dad, you just ruined it.
I didn't ruin it.
It's so pretty.
Stir it around. It's nice and shelly. It's beautiful. And it tastes nice, guys. Season and everything. Yeah, man. So what I'm gonna do now, guys, share out some food for the youths them because most of them hungry. This is Jamani. Jamani don't really eat much. How beautiful this is, guys. I'm not going to chicken breast. I'm gonna eat free tonight. No bone. Yeah. And look at that. Beautiful.
We're just admiring how beautiful this is.
Isn't it?
How golden it is.
Isn't it? Sounds like you just gave Daddy a compliment there. Thank you.
I did.
Look at that, guys. Beautiful. fucking gravy. Spread these over so I don't know what to eat. So just minimize it, guys. Alright.
Close.
Look at that. Guys, one more. So when time you cooking at the house, sometimes you have to cook big because I don't know how much mouth I gonna come around. Let me see.
Yo, get no more cheese.
See there, guys. How beautiful these plates are, guys. How beautiful they are. Look at that. Nice. Take a plate, my son. Yeah.
Ja.
Rastafari. Haile Selassie, aye. Tell your friend them if they want to come and get a plate because I shared one for them. Okay? Yeah. See it there, guys. Yeah, man. So, this is the meal. Beautiful. Beautiful. You have to take a taste and tell me how it tastes.
Yes.
So how is the curry chicken? You just taste the rice. Really? Yeah, man. See it there? Yeah, man. Children all over the place. Take a food, guys. There's one right there.
Thank you.
Yeah, man.
Sure.
Yeah, man.
Thank you.
Yeah, man. Take a taste and tell me how it tastes now. I say a good hard lie them I tell you. You see them pitney I say.
So big.
I truth, man. When kids tell you something, I truth. Really? Yeah, man. Yes, I am. Rastafari, we never want to place again. So, guys, remember, man, thank you so much for staying with me to the end and everything. I hope you enjoyed that little snow thing then at the beginning and thing like that. And yeah, take off right now. You don't know, come and go consume some food myself because I'm hungry. See? Just remember to like, share, subscribe. See? Leave a comment and let me know what you think. See? Until such time, more time. Take care of yourself and each other. Rastafari. I remember, man. Selassie.